Hey friend, my name is Akash and you're watching Tech Tips. So today's video will be same as the last video. In previous video, I have told you how you can make temporary phone number for OTP purpose. If you haven't watched it yet, I will give the link in the description below, so do not forget to watch the previous video. So before starting this video, click on subscribe button and press the bell icon because I bring such an amazing kind of tricks and tips videos for you guys, so do not forget to subscribe. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to get temporary email ID for registration purpose, and that also for free. So let's start with the video. For that we need an Android phone or any other phone. So let's start. So here is the phone. So let's start with the tutorial, and so for that you need to go to the browser, any browser, and just type temp mail. The link will be given in the description below. So this is the first link you can see here. This is the link tempmail.org. Just click on the first link. So this is the interference of this site. Here it is the temporary mail. You can copy it through this. Here is the inbox of the email, and you can change the email ID or you can delete the email ID you want. You can also refresh it from here. So if you like this email, you can just copy it and you can just use it for registration purpose. See. You can use this email to get temporary OTP. You can also use this email for registration purpose. If you want free subscription from several accounts, you can also use this email. So as I told you in last video, I have shown you how to get temporary phone number for OTP purpose. Phone number are from India, USA, many more such countries. So this is how you can get temporary email. So if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe, share and like. You can also comment down below if you have any problem or suggestion for me. Till then, bye bye.